All right, so this is the NXC100. This is the unit. It's actually bigger than I thought. I thought it was pretty tiny, but it's not. 12 volt. Okay, I guess this is how you mount it. Ties of some form. Okay, so you have 4 of these little ties to keep your stuff together. All right, so you're supposed to insert the memory card into the designated card slot. So they give you a card. So it's supposed to go in that slot right there, and it's super tiny. So just put that into here. Okay. There's a little piece of plastic right here, so you got to make sure you take that off too, so your lens can see. We have to figure out, you have this really long cord, and you've got to figure out how you want it mounted. The warning says mount and position the camera onto the windshield before connecting and routing to power source. See instructions for more information. This part right here goes into there, just based off of what I'm seeing. So it fits like that, and then my guess would be this bends back like that, and then this cable comes through this little cable part right here. So then you just mount it on your windshield. And that's where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it right here, so that it's out of the way. So now that I have the full cable put on there, I'm gonna take all of these little adhesives off. Just all put up here and kind of mounted and ready to go. So now I've got to take the wire around the upper part up here, and I won't make you guys watch that, but so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm putting it inside of the side of the car. I've ran it all up here, so it's all clear, and I'm working my way down the side trimming and pop this. That's one. Okay, you go completely in there. All right. So you guys still there? Okay. So now we've got that completely powered on. Okay. So I'm recording this after the fact, but I noticed when I was going through the settings trying to figure out why the unit was not connecting, I found out that it connects through the Wi-Fi specific to the unit. So I remember someone mentioning that in a YouTube video, but for whatever reason, when I got ready to do it myself, I forgot. So you have to connect to the Wi-Fi on the unit, but I'll tell you why that's a problem later on in the video. Okay, so let's talk about exactly why this is an issue. Because my car, I have a 2018 Chevy Malibu. That car comes with Wi-Fi built into it. So as you could see, I have Wi-Fi in my car. The problem with that is that in order for this unit to work, you have to switch to the Wi-Fi specific to the unit, which the camera. The problem that I see is that if I need to use my Wi-Fi, then I lose having the recordings. If I decide I want the recordings, then I can't use the Wi-Fi in the car at the same time. That's a problem. I haven't found a workaround. I'm sure there is, but that's the reason why this could be a problem for some people, could be a deal breaker.